Here you go, Westey's box, 12/13 at Panini Anthology. Panini Anthology. Alright, we've got a Prism rookie autograph. Torrey Krug. Torrey Krug. And a rookie of Ryan Hamilton. We've got a Game Gear Jersey Prime number 47/50, Shea Weber. Shea Weber. Box Prime XHML, sure thing, buddy. Legacies to 9.99, Joe Nieuwendyk. Joe Nieuwendyk. We've got an Intensity number to 500, Cam Neely. Cam Neely. And a Rookie Treasures, dual jersey and autograph number to 4.99, Chet Pickard. Chet Pickard. We've got a Vesna Contenders to 9.99, Pekka Rinne. Pekka Rinne. We've got a Scratching the Surface Signatures, Jake Allen. Jake Allen. We've got a Cup Contenders to 9.99, Patrick King. And a Luxury Suite, Game Used Stick, Michael Del Zotto. Michael Del Zotto. We've got a Game Gear 3-color patch, numbered 20/25, Yaroslav Halak. Yaroslav Halak. We've got a Vesna Contenders to 9.99, Martin Brodeur. Game Gear Jersey, Robin Regier. Robin Regier. And an Elite Rookie to 9.99, Riley Smith. So there you go, buddy.